A different way to do unit tests is to use Truffle. And within Truffle, actually there are two types of tests, one based in Solidity and one in JavaScript. First we'll have a look at the Solidity version of the tests. There are a number of assert functions that you can use. So I've made a list over here. And you can find more in the documentation over here. And the one with equal is probably the one that we will use the most. The same as before, within Remix, you have functions like before all, before each, and also, by the way, after all and after each. So that's you can use to initialize some stuff. You can look in the manual here to see more examples. Now we're going to test this contract. It's a small contract with a coin. And this is how we can make the tests out of it. So the test is also written in Solidity. So we import the assert library. And we also import this library that can be used to get the address where the contract is deployed. And here we are going to import the contract itself that we want to test. And then we can write tests like this. There's a function over here, and we got some asserts over here where we can check values. So we've got two tests over here. So this is how we would run it. I'll also run it here. So use the command truffle test, and then with the test that you want to do, or if you don't specify the parameters, it will run all the tests. The tests, by the way, are stored in the tests directory, which is below your truffle directory. Now it first compiles everything, of course, and then it starts to run the tests. Takes a little while because the assert library is a pretty large file. Well, here you see that the two tests have been done and that they both passed with the green sign over here and the two passing. So here's a view of the directory structure. So here in the test directory, that's where you will put the test file.